I just wanted to do a little update on what we're going to do maintenance week next week, starting the 28th of August. So we've been struggling with high organic matter levels, which has led to when weather conditions get a bit extreme, the green's holding too much moisture or drying out too quickly, and we get a bit of uneven growth. So most of this organic matter and thatch is in the top inch or so of the profile. So what we'll be doing is hitting them pretty hard this year and trying to get as much sand as possible into the profile. So I'll just run you through in this video what we're going to do and what our plan is for next week. So the plan is we'll get all of the major maintenance work done on the Tuesday the 29th. So bear with us on this day, as there will be quite a few temporaries as well. We're working to get all the greens done on that day. So the guys will be here early in the morning and probably here till late in the afternoon trying to get all the work done. The plan will then be to leave the greens alone for a few days, let them recover. So again, they'll probably be a bit bumpy and a bit hairy, but by the end of the week we'll be back to cutting and rolling them again, so there's a reasonable surface to play on. We've done some practice runs on a few of our practice greens, which you may or may not have seen. So I've done the 2 chipping greens over by the practice bunkers, and we've also done this green that I'm standing on here. So we did this green about 2 weeks ago, and as you can see from me now, it looks pretty good. It's recovered pretty well, so we're pretty happy. So this is sort of what we're expecting. About the first week it's going to be pretty bumpy and uneven, and then after that, leading up to sort of 2 weeks time, they should be back to a more reasonable playing surface. So our plan on the actual day when we're doing the maintenance will be, firstly, we'll lay down a carpet of sand on the green, so approximately 2 tons on every green. We'll then verti-drain over the top of that with this machine you see here. So that will be with a 20mm diameter tine going down to about 10 inches. We'll then brush all the sand into these holes, fill all these holes up. So then what we'll do, we'll go over it with the Procore with a 14mm hollow core. So that will take a little plug out about an inch depth, removing some of the organic matter. We'll then collect that material, we'll take that away, store it. We can use that for other projects around the golf course. Then again, we'll put another load of sand on, approximately 1 to 2 tons, and then brush that in and fill all the holes up. So then finally, you can see this is the surface we'll be left with. So we'll overseed. We've got approximately 140 kilograms of bent seed, which will go into all the greens. And the final process will be to roll the greens to smooth out the surface. And then, like I say, that'll all be done on the Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, we'll just let the greens recover, won't do much to them. And then Friday, Saturday, we'll be back into cutting and rolling them again to try and produce the surface for you.